Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce me from Gufar. My name is Imam Firdaus and my friend is Achmad. On this occasion, I will represent our group for a journal review Entitled Technique for ESP Student in Teaching English by Fatmawati, Sofian Agani, Iskandar Abdul Samad from Syiah Kuala University, Banda Aceh. The first part is abstract. The abstract in this journal is good because in function it already is in function to describe the content of the journal. The abstract in this journal explains starting from the purpose this journal, which is to find out the technique of lecture in teaching English to information technology and computer, explain the development of lecture material and how to access information and computer technology studied in the Luxembourg State Polytechnic. Furthermore, the form of research, data collection instrument, data processing to the result of research can be conveyed properly in this abstract. There are 4 keywords from this abstract. Number 1 is technique in teaching, number 2 ESP, number 3 is Polytechnic, and the last is IT. The next part is introduction. This introduction part is considered good because the content have clearly provide exposure to discussion to be conducted. This section explains how English language skills are needed for academic success. This section also explains how the specific objectives of ESP are designed according to the events. Furthermore, it also explains that ESP is different from General Purpose English or EGP. In terms of teaching methodology and teaching material, in addition, it is well explained that the role of ESP teachers was more than teaching in regular class. Because this research was conducted at the Luxembourg State Polytechnic, it was also explained that the specific purpose of English was taught at this tertiary institution. How to teach English in this department is different from the regular department. In this campus, there is also an English club that can help students improve their English skills so they can excel. The next part is literature review. The literature review profit is complete and in accordance with the keyword given. The section explains several points, include definition of ESP, characteristic of ESP, type of ESP, the difference between ESP and General English, ESP teaching methodology, curriculum and syllabus design, developing ESP materials, and assessment. The next part is research methodology. The study was conducted in a descriptive qualitative manner. The researcher described all the important events that occur naturally in class. In this study, researchers observe and describe all events that occur naturally in the teaching and learning process in the class taught by the lecturer. Researchers also interview English lecturers about their syllabus, lesson plans, material, and student assessment. Results and discussion. As a result, in class, lecturers use direct teaching strategies to teach students. They practice this kind of teaching strategy to present the material in deep conception and explanation to students. The lecturer can manage the situation in the teaching and learning process very well. The result for observation and interview with the lecturer also show that lecturers use several strategies such as contextual teaching learning and problem-based learning. The result can also be proven in the first activity of the lecture, reviewing the previous material in class. They guide students to practice and learn in doing their assessment. In addition, the lecturer have prepared and selected effective lessons to be used as teaching material deliberately, thoughtfully, and precisely. Lecture can motivate students to learn seriously by using games or pictures that can make students enjoy learning. The next part is conclusion. Conclusion based on the analysis of the research findings obtained three conclusions, namely, number 1, the lecturer used various strategies in teaching English language skills, such as using communicative language teaching, contextual teaching learning, problem-based learning, and learning-centered approaches. Number 2, the material is developed by lecturer to motivate students to learn English in the Luxembourg State Polytechnic based on syllabus and lesson plans. And number 3, the lecturer assesses the achievement of information and computer technology students and Luxembourg State Polytechnic by applying continuous assessment to evaluate students. The last part is suggestion. There are three suggestions based on the analysis of the research finding, namely, number 1, this research is expected to improve the quality of lecture, especially for those who teach English in certain departments such as the Polytechnic. Number 2, students must be reminded to continue to practice and participate in learning activities. And number 3, the researcher also hopes that further studies on this topic will be carried out in a broader scope. That's the review of the journal Technique for ESP Students in Teaching English. Sorry if there are deficiencies. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.